Hi there, I'm Caitlin McDonald. I'm here with the Social Speak Network. And in today's video, we are talking about TikTok, specifically 6 tips for healthcare professionals and organizations to use on TikTok. So TikTok is a video-based social network that allows users to create and publish short videos. The app has been downloaded more than 1 billion times worldwide, and it's now considered the trendiest social media platform. So some of you might be rolling your eyes right now thinking it's not for you. Sure, it's not really a serious platform, but as of now, it's the social media platform with the most opportunities to go viral. It provides a great opportunity for you to build a solid online presence and position yourself as an industry expert. So, here are those 6 tips for marketing your practice on TikTok. 1, choose a username that reflects your practice. You've gone through this with Instagram, you've gone through it with claiming the vanity URL on Facebook, but make sure that you are thinking about your username on TikTok. Your username is one of the most important aspects of your social media account. When you create a profile, make sure your username is catchy and easy to remember. If possible, try to drop subtle hints about what you do within that username. So you could use your full name. There is a doctor who has done a great job on TikTok so far, Dr. Kim Chronister, and her TikTok username is just her name, Dr. Kim Chronister. So you can do the same thing, or if you are a acupuncturist, maybe you try and put acupuncture in there, or Eastern medicine in there. And so you can be creative with that username. Go ahead and claim it now. Next, create content that drives traffic. The key to going viral on TikTok is to create content that your audience finds valuable. So ask yourself, what problems are your target market trying to solve? Now create video content that would help them solve that problem. You can leverage the platform to attract new people to your Facebook group, get more YouTube subscribers, revive your Instagram account, or drive traffic to your website. You can say things like, if you want to learn more about this, check out my Instagram or visit my website. Next, engage with your audience, especially the younger ones. Once people learn about your profession, they'll start asking you health-related questions. Some will even ask for tips and advice. You can use the platform to answer these questions and provide solutions to their problems. Dr. Jones, known as Mama Dr. Jones on TikTok, is a gynecologist who uses the platform to educate teens about sex education. Her content is engaging, and her willingness to be a bit silly on the app helps her get her message across. Definitely go check out her profile. In one of her popular videos, she talked about what you should do if a condom breaks during sex. The video has racked up to 11 million views. The teen demographic doesn't get adequate education about topics like this in an easy to digest manner. So they can use this platform and follow Mama Dr. Jones as some insight into the education. So that's just one way a gynecologist has decided to use TikTok, and it's worked very well for her and her practice. Next, keep the duet feature in mind. While scrolling on TikTok, you might notice 2 videos appearing side by side on the screen. This is called a duet. Duets allow users to collaborate, respond, or interact with others' videos. You can create a video with a colleague or an influencer, or better yet, invite your audience to join you on screen. This is a great strategy if you're looking to grow your following. Next, and I think this is number 5, address misinformation. Living in the digital world, we have access to a wide range of information. Unfortunately, not all of it is reliable. With so much information available online, it can be difficult to separate facts from fallacies. TikTok is a great way for doctors and other health professionals to reach their younger audience. Use it to educate people about illnesses, general health, and much more. Rosemary Leslie, a medical resident better known as Dr. Leslie on TikTok, shares valuable information about vaping or birth control on the platform. With studies showing that vape use is at an all-time high with teens, Dr. Leslie often talks about vaping and vape-related illnesses. In one of her videos, she showed the chest x-ray from a patient with vape-related lung injuries. Dr. Leslie said that she's been receiving tons of messages from teens who have stopped vaping after watching her video. So she is utilizing TikTok to debunk different rumors and also give teens, again, that easy to digest, easy to understand content on a platform where they already are. Number 6 is use TikTok to humanize your brand. Many of the content on the platform is funny and entertaining. This is why a lot of professionals are hesitant to create an account on TikTok. But you don't necessarily have to dance or crack jokes to capture the attention of your audience. You just have to show them your human side. Remember that your audience are humans and they want to speak with real humans too. People are more likely to trust you if they can connect with you on a more personal level. Make an effort to talk to them as you would a friend. By letting your personality shine through your videos, you become more approachable and relatable in the eyes of your audience. More and more healthcare professionals are flocking to TikTok to teach teens and young adults about health issues that matter to them. As of now, there's very little competition on this platform, and this presents a massive opportunity for you to reach a wider audience at a relatively low cost. So if you're building and looking to build a solid online presence on the platform, now would be a great time to start. So if you are looking for more insights in how to utilize social media and other platforms in your digital marketing strategy, we would love to chat. Of course, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Podbean, iTunes, and head on over to socialspeaknetwork.com to request a consultation. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.